A Lubbock company at the center of dozens of tenant complaints and city violations has filed for bankruptcy. We first told you about Thunder Sun Homes and its owner, Austin Hughes, in January.
Since then, more concerned tenants have contacted our investigative reporter, Shaylee Kidwell, about issues raised in this bankruptcy case. Shaylee?
Karen and Abner, U.S. bankruptcy judge Brad Odell has dismissed Thunder Sun Homes' bankruptcy case without prejudice, which means Hughes can refile the case if he addresses the issues raised by the U.S. trustee. On October 7th, Thunder Sun Homes, owned by Austin Hughes, filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. 1 week later, the U.S. trustee filed this motion to dismiss the case. In the filing, she stated Thunder Sun Homes owns several mobile home parks in Lubbock, and at least one of those properties is occupied by tenants and does not have functioning utilities. This is a problem the KCBD Investigates team first reported on in January of this year, when we visited Thunder Sun Homes properties in Lubbock and Plainview and spoke with tenants who complained of leaking sewage, water shutoffs, and the loss of electricity with no notice. In this motion to dismiss the case, the United States trustee claimed she made repeated requests to Thunder Sun Homes Counsel to provide sufficient proofs of property and casualty insurance policies, as well as a status update on the state of utilities at Thunder Sun Homes properties. In the court filing, the trustee claimed Thunder Sun Homes Counsel had not responded to her requests and, quote, failed to cooperate with the United States trustee. On Friday, October 24th, the judge dismissed the case without prejudice. We spoke with Hughes' attorney, Max Tarbox, this afternoon, who said Hughes hired him when banks began to foreclose on Thunder Sun Homes properties. Tarbox said he had hoped to create a committee of tenants who could work with Hughes and report to the U.S. trustee. Tarbox said he and his client weren't given enough time to gather the insurance documents and fix the utility issues before the U.S. trustee filed her motion to dismiss the case. Some of the tenants we have interviewed during our investigation are now working with an attorney. We will have more on the future of Thunder Sun Homes and what's next for the hundreds of tenants left in limbo. That's coming up in our next Tenant Troubles report. Karen and Abner.
Thank you, Shaylee.